Hi, and welcome to the AeroLeads YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to use our integration feature to seamlessly connect AeroLeads with your favorite CRM and outreach tools. Start by heading over to the Integrations tab on the dashboard. Here, you'll see multiple options including HubSpot, Salesforce, Pipedrive, Zoho, MailChimp, and many more. Select the platform you want to integrate with. Once selected, you'll be prompted to authorize the connection. This is a one-time setup process that takes just a few seconds. Once integrated, any data you collect using AeroLeads, such as names, emails, job titles, and company information, can be automatically pushed into your CRM or email campaign platform. This saves time, eliminates manual entry, and helps you maintain clean, organized contact records across all your tools. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've streamlined your lead generation and follow-up workflows with AeroLeads. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.